Hello guys, this is Airdrop. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw your free EIFI airdrop. Okay, for those of you that this airdrop, when I dropped it, I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw it. Withdrawal has started on the site. Okay, how you can withdraw it to your Trust wallet and eventually swap it to USDT or any other cryptocurrency. So to do that, it's very easy. All you have to do is you open up the actual site, that's the airdrops page. But before we do that, let's check out my channel. So this is Crypto Airdrop. I basically make videos about cryptocurrency, and if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you can just hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you guys immediately. So let's get back to that. So once you open up the airdrop page, that's where you claimed it. When you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see where it says buy in pre-sale. Then you click on buy now to open up the actual EIFI dashboard, which looks something like this. So I've already tried withdrawing about 100 EIFI from my airdrop balance. Okay, but the withdrawal is still pending. But in the meantime, I'll still show you guys how to withdraw. Okay, so this once it opens up this page, the first thing you need to do is you set up your withdrawal wallet. That's where you want to withdraw to do that, you click on this icon at the top right hand corner, these lines, okay, these 4 lines. You click on that. Okay, so once you click on it to open up something like this, then you click on account, then you click on profile. So once you click on profile, you click on where it says wallet. So then you'll be able to place your EIFI wallet address. That's where you'll be withdrawing to get it. You can just open up your Trust wallet, okay, or any wallet that supports EIFI. Open up your Trust wallet, okay, then you search for EIFI. Okay, once you search for it, it will come up on the BEP20 chain, that's the Binance Smart Chain. Then you just click on copy the wallet address. Then you go back to the site, you paste it there in the box, and you click on update. So that's how you set up your wallet. So once you've done that, you can now go to where it says withdraw. Click on withdraw to open up a page like this. Okay, it will show your balance and how much you want to withdraw. So basically all you have to do is just put in the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so once you put in the amount you want to withdraw, then you click on withdraw. It will ask you for an OTP, which will be sent to the email you registered the airdrop with. Okay, once you put in the OTP, you'll be able to, the withdrawal will be processed. Okay, and you can check the withdrawal history by going to history, clicking on withdrawal history. Open up page like this. Okay, as you can see, today I withdrew 100 EIFI, and it's still pending. That is, they're still processing it. Once it's processed, you receive it on the wallet you withdrew it to. That if you use Trust wallet, you receive it on Trust wallet. Okay, so once